أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Welcome to level 4 of our study of Arabic grammar. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This is the starting of a new phase of the study of the grammar of Quran, and that's the advanced Nahu and sentence structures. So today, inshallah, we will begin with the lesson number 1 for advanced Nahu and structures. And inshallah, we will learn more advanced concepts in these lessons. There will be around 50 to 60 lessons for the advanced Nahu. And let's just quickly review our journey so far. We know that in level 1, we studied the basic Nahu, uh, simple sentence structures, the types of the word, the mubtada and the khabar, and lots of very basic concepts. And in level 2, we learned the basic stuff, how words are formed, their patterns, their families, the patterns of the verbs and the nouns, and everything. Then in level 3, we covered the advanced surf. That's the D patterns, verbs in different tenses and their scales. And now Alhamdulillah, we start level 4, and that's the advanced Nahu and structures. So, first topic for the advanced Nahu and structures is the Afal and Nakisa, and that they are also known as the Kana wa Akhawatuha. And because this Afal and Nakisa, as we know that they are the set of Afal that are incomplete in meaning, because Nakisa means Nakis, defective, incomplete. So Afal and Nakisa, as they are also known as Kana wa Akhawatuha, or Kana and her sisters. So this is because this Kana is the most commonly used Felinakis. Um, you have seen this word kana a lot of time in the Quran. It is mentioned, and inshallah, today we are going to learn more about it. But because it's very common, that is why all this set of this afar nakasa is called the kana wa akhwatuha, because kana is very common. So let's begin, inshallah, that what we are going to learn in this kana wa akhwatuha. So, as we are moving to a very important topic in this advanced level, this is afal nakasa, the incomplete verb. So, what are the afal nakasa? First, we know that in English that this nakis means incomplete. So, these verbs are called incomplete verbs because they don't give a full meaning on their own. They need another word to complete the sentence. And that's the regular verbs that are the fi'l tam or the fa'al tam, that are the full verbs, like eating and sleeping. Like in the past tense, we can say ate and slept and walked and talked. They are all complete verbs. And like if we say in English, the helping verbs like is, are, was, were, and like became, and like there are so many inshallah we are going to learn in English. We know that these are the verbs that are incomplete. They are the helping verbs. But for the past tense, we mostly have was and were, and that are incomplete, and they are called the helping words. So we cannot visualize what this mean, like was, were, or became, or remain. So what this mean? Like when I say somebody talked, like you can visualize it when I say somebody thought, or somebody walked, somebody talked. So you can imagine what that mean. So, but when I say somebody was or somebody remained, it doesn't give full meaning. What were they? What were their condition? Were they angry? Were they happy? Were they talking or walking? Nothing is mentioned. So these are incomplete by themselves. You need something else to complete them. These are أفعال الناقصة that we are going to learn. In other words, they are on their own. You need to complete a sentence to make sense. Like when you say he wasn't, what you have, uh, like like you have to finish that thought. So you need to complete the word. So the word is by itself incomplete. So when we talk or when we say that فعل تام or a regular verb, it has you can see that it has three things like an action, tense or time, or pronoun that is the hadas or the zaman, the time, or the pronoun the damir. So we have these three things and the regular verb or in فعل تام that is a full fail. But in فعل ناقص, it has the time part, you can say, but it does not have the action, therefore it is called nakas. So we have this fairly nakas, and it is we call them afal nakasa, and they are commonly known as kana wa akhawatuha. Kana wa akhawatuha. Also know that a pronoun in fairly nakas is its isim, and inshallah we'll see when we'll do the charts at how it is its isim. So Felinakis, they are Kana wa Akhwatuha. There is a list of the words that inshallah we are going to learn. So here also see this example as already mentioned that because kana is the most commonly used felinakis. So just we are going to take the example of kana. Kana means he was. So as was is a helping verb, it is an incomplete verb. So you see how it is translated. Kana means he was. So you see it is an incomplete verb. Like it is not complete sentence. So you need to complete it. So this is Felinakis. So also know that this kana, it enters, this word kana enters, Felinakis enters the Jumla Ismiya. And we now know that what's a Jumla Ismiya. So for example, we take a Jumla Ismiya, this Umarun, Muslimun. We know that this is Muqtada and Khabar, that Umar is Muslim. And if we take this sentence as our Jumla Ismiya, and if Kana enters it, it is going to cancel its Arab. And what I mean by Arab is like this Umarun Muslimun. Here it is Muqtada and the Khabar. So what Kana is going to do, it is going to cancel its Arab, and that is why these type of fi'il are also called as afal nasikha, because they just nasakh or they mansukh, they cancels their already, or you can say the default state. Here it is mubtada and this is the khabar, so it is going to cancel it out, and that is why afal nakisa are also known as afal nasikha. So the above sentence, if we take it, this Umarun Muslimun, this will become when Kana is going to enter it, it will become Kana Umrun Musliman. Umar Muslimun, Musliman. So here you see Kana Umarun Musliman. Here you see the change in their era. So how we are going to call them? The Mubtada, this is the Umar, here remains Marfu, Umarun, but now calls the isim of kana. Isim of kana. And the khabar changes to mansoob and now called khabar of kana. And now you see the change, like khabar is changed from rafa state to the nasab state. So kana, this Umarun Musliman. So here this is isim kana and this is khabar kana. Isim kana is always marfu, and the khabar kana is always nasab. Inshallah, we will compare it with inna as well. So you see here that it's not the file here because this is it's isim. It will not be its fail. It's not. It is not its file because we know that it is not a complete fail. It is fail in Akis. So we do not have a file here. We have the isim here. So also when we are going to see the charts here, we'll know that these all pronouns are will be called as in the fail they are called the file or the night file. But when we talk about kana, if it is going to enter into a jumla, we have this ism kana because we do not have any file here. So also it has present tense as well. Inshallah, we'll see that as well. So here, see, they always here the part of the this when we have this sentence with the kana, we have two parts like ism, the subject, the noun, the sentence is all about that, and the khabar that gives the description of the meaning. So kana Umarun Musliman, we have this ism kana and we have the khabar kana. So we have this mubtada changed into ism kana and the khabar changed into the khabar kana. And the mubtada that becomes isim kana will remain marfu while the khabar changes to mansoob. So this is about the introduction of kana, and inshallah we are going to continue with the types, or you can say the kana wa akhwatuha, the other afal naqisa in the other session. I'll see you in the next session. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.